tidy. I'm just going to replace my mountain bike disc brakes, my back wheel. So I have removed the wheels. Now first you need to get the parts. Make sure you get the correct parts. So mine looks like that. Okay, so I have loosened this knot. So now I'm just gonna pry that out. Undo this knot. Right. And now the brakes will just pop out of there. There you go, and it looks like something like that. And how the brake works is that there's hydraulics. When you apply the brakes, it squeezes that in. So therefore we need to push that hydraulics back so to put in the new brakes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this back in so I can push the hydraulics back. Okay, something like that. So all right. All right, so looks like that. I can see that it's a little bit of brakes left, but I'm just going to replace it anyway. And pop it out. So how you put the brakes in, captures that, like that. Like that, and it goes in like that. Then we put this knot back in. Keep it in place. Uh-oh. Where's my pin? And then we clip the pin back, and then we put the ties in, test it out, and that's about it.